Hello and welcome to another video from your University of New Money, University of New Mercy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit all notifications. That way you're notified of all future videos that come out from the channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.
Hello, Swizzle.
And hello everybody out there in YouTube land. This is another video from your University of New Money, University of New Mercy. This is going to be the day 235 video. Normally I get delayed on weekends, but I had a little bit of time this morning to do my video, so here we go. Let's jump right into it. Okay, let's get the camera situated here. I think it looks pretty good. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm going to roll with it. Zoom in there, should be focused. This is the website, UNM.nu and Bronco.tv. Scroll down here, check out this good information. Hopefully you find this stuff useful. The stuff I update every day is located down here though. It's the 2022 crypto spreadsheet as seen on YouTube. I've already got it updated for today. I may upload an additional update based on this video. I kind of want to walk you guys through some options that you can do with the spreadsheet, but it should be dated today, February 26, 2022. Checking it out. It's right here. This is the one that I have downloaded to my desktop, and so going through prices for the day. Again, this is February 26, 2022. Bitcoin this morning is $39,278. Ethereum $27.87. XRP 76.67 cents. Litecoin $110.80. Dogecoin 12.79 cents. SafeMoon 0.11 cents. VeChain 4.88 cents. Energy Web Token $5.01. Cronos 42.01 cents. Aqua BNB LP at Planet Finance $408.40. It's always a mouthful. I have to take a breath. Gamma 20 cents. Gamma BNB LP at Planet Finance $17.64. Aqua $104.66. And SongBird, a nice little pump, 8.13 cents. Taking a look at the recap for the day, sure enough, SongBird was a big winner at 5%, along with the XRP at around 8%. Nothing in the red. The only decliner is SafeMoon, just been terribly disappointing lately, but I'm a believer in the project. I still watch SafeMoon Joe. He's a great YouTuber. A lot of reasons to believe this project is going to turn itself around with great leadership, such as from CEO, who is it, John Caroni. Hey, updated the daily tab here, day change, percent from all-time highs. Again, the biggest gainers, if we just return to all-time highs, are Aqua and Gamma, which is why I'm so bullish on Planet Finance. XRP hasn't hit all-time highs in over 1,500 days. That's since January 7th, 2018. Feels like yesterday, but over 4 years ago. Taking a look at the graph tab here, at least things are starting to trend upward for both Bitcoin and Gamma. Again, don't forget you can change these settings. So like if you want to compare BTC to Aqua, it'll show this comparison here. Maybe you want to do BTC to Ethereum, the two big market cap coins. You can tell they pretty much move in tandem, although Bitcoin outperformed Ethereum earlier this year. I'm going to put this back on Planet Finance because I like to compare BTC to Planet Finance. Why don't we compare it to Gamma? Well, let's see, Gamma versus the Gamma BNB LP. Very similar. I'm going to leave it on the BNB LP. Just, why not? That's the coin that I'm more interested in buying these days. Gamma I just get as rewards as it's the utility token on Planet Finance. Okay, looking at the projection tab here. Again, we've got that essentially downward trend until the end of Q2 2022, and then we're heading toward our targets for the Bitcoin halving March 28th, 2024. So based on these projections, again, looking at where we are now at 39,000, hopefully we never actually get to $30,000 Bitcoin or $2,000 Ethereum, but I'm just keeping my projections very conservative. If we totally skip this midterm and go straight to the target, that's the preferred outcome. But as Ben Cohen says, it's just important to look at all scenarios and prepare accordingly. I strongly believe in that. Looking at the BTC Proj tab, I've already covered this in great detail. Just the goals tab I wanted to jump into a little bit more today. And so I'm currently looking at the BNB LP at Planet Finance, but I know a lot of you might be looking at Bitcoin. That seems to be the coin to invest right now, especially if altcoins. If we're going to go into a slightly bearish market, Bitcoin should outperform the altcoins. And so Bitcoin is the king coin anyway. It's the one that you should be striving to achieve. Once you get to one whole Bitcoin, I say do whatever you want. But if you're still short of that one Bitcoin goal, I say you keep working toward it if you can. Well, let's take a look here. I kind of want to look at the BTC Proj tab, and based on the median supply of Bitcoin, which is around 19 million. I haven't updated this lately. I can't imagine it's changed much, but let's go and check it out. Have we hit 19 million yet? I doubt it. Circulating supply, no, just still short of 19 million. So this number should still be pretty much into effect, should serve its purpose. And again, the way I've argued this number in the future is that sure, we're going to keep increasing toward 21 million, but there's a certain number of lost Bitcoin. So just assuming there will ever be 19 million Bitcoin is a pretty conservative assumption in my estimation. Is I believe at the maximum there will always be less than 19 million, just based on the estimate of 4 million lost Bitcoin forever. But even if you think 4 million is too aggressive, just saying there's 2 million lost forever, 19 million is a nice estimate. So I really like using this median supply of Bitcoin. And using the maximum amount, which is that every millionaire in the world puts $1 million into Bitcoin, which again, prices of Bitcoin don't really work this way, but just using this as a crude estimate as the basis of this model. This says that if you own 0.338 Bitcoin, that should help you toward your goal of becoming a millionaire if that's your goal. So let's actually integrate that into the goals here. So I'm going to go ahead and say, instead of B19 down here, I want to work toward cell B2, which is the amount of Bitcoin I currently own. And if you guys are at 0, that's fine. If you guys are already at 1, that's fine. If you guys are working toward 1, that's great. Whatever your current amount is, let's see if we try to just add this amount to the portfolio, which could translate to an additional $1 million down the road. Who knows? And so we're going to start today, end date the end of the year. Periodic investing, that would be $500 per 2 weeks, based on this growth model and a little bit of volatility put into the model. This says that we're going to end up with just short of our goal. So let's go and up this $500 every 2 weeks to maybe $550 every 2 weeks. That says that we're going to get a lot closer to the goal. We're at 10.343 instead of 10.349. So that's up to 560. And that says we're still short. How about 600? That should be too much. Yeah, clearly. 570, 560, 565, 569. This thing is very sensitive, I guess. Exponential growth, especially investing early on. That says that the more money you can put in now while prices are cheap is only going to pay off exponentially down the road. So I guess that's close enough. It's probably better than 567, 568. Oh, what am I doing wrong here? I might be looking at the wrong number. No, that's sure. So, oh, that's right, because there is variance involved in the model. I keep forgetting that. I was going to say, why are the coins jumping all over the place? It's because of this volatility I added to the model. So even if you keep it at 565, look at how the number keeps changing. If you just put your mouse cursor into the cell and hit enter, look, the end coins, which is cell B19, keeps changing. So based on this estimate, this pretty much says that we can go ahead and use 565 as an estimate, and based on randomness, we might achieve our goal. We might end up just short, but 565 seems to be a number which gets us pretty close to that goal. So I'm going to leave it there at 565. So that's if you can invest $565 every 2 weeks, you should get your goal of getting an additional, what was that again, 0.338 Bitcoin. Now let's say instead of doing periodic investing, you want to make sure you get toward your goal, and you can invest weekly. Let's put this on the linear weekly. This says that your total investment is going to be $13,367.13, so just over $13,000. $13,000 to get to an investment of, this says an end investment of 607,000 because that integrates the 10 Bitcoin I already have and reaching the end of the year. But that says, based on this model, that there's a good chance you become a millionaire based on a $1,300 investment. Again, that's, looking long term, that's Bitcoin hitting a market cap of $56 trillion. I mean, let's see if we can just get the market cap of all of cryptocurrency to my minimum projection of just under $6 trillion. That's going to be a great day. So looking toward $56 trillion for just Bitcoin, that's, looking a little bit further down the road. But if you have a long-term plan with this thing, I think this is pretty realistic. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this on periodic investing for you guys, because I bet in general you guys are looking more to investing a certain amount per period than forcing yourself to get to a goal, which may cause you to invest more than you're willing to invest. But let's go ahead and leave this on you guys to use in the future. Let me go and make sure everything's set up good. I always like to leave the cursor in a certain place so it's easy for you guys to update. This is a date that you can definitely update. I just have it on January 24th by default, just because that was a dark day in crypto this year. Not super dark. I mean, it's not like we went down 50% in a day, but that's when Bitcoin hit its lowest mark of the year according to the numbers I've been entering into the spreadsheet. So we'll leave it there. I like highlighting the column you should be looking at. This is a projection column, so this is the column you should actually be looking at for the change from February 25th to February 26th. Okay, all these should be fine. Yeah, have it highlighted here. Yeah, we'll leave it highlighted on the second cell. BTC, I think, is a nice default coin. Projection, leave it highlighted there. Oh, I should leave it highlighted here so you can change your target investment amount from $1 million. Okay, goals, we'll leave this updated so you can change your default coin. Actually, we can leave your periodic investing, because again, I'm leaving this set up so in case you have a BTC goal, you might be able to invest more or less than 565 every 2 weeks. I'm going to leave that highlighted. Okay, these are all the same from yesterday, Friday, freshly updated for the week. The config tab, again, hopefully you don't have to play around with this much, but at least I just want to give you guys a shout out. Cheers to crypto success and life-changing wealth. And then the DFS tabs over here. I might take a little break from playing DFS, as sometimes it's nice to take a break to recharge the batteries. I know we just had a break from the All-Star break, but haven't done too well in basketball the last couple of days. Might want to take a step back and just recharge the batteries and see how things play out based on players coming back from the All-Star break. It was nice to see James Harden back in the NBA and with his new team, the Philadelphia 76ers. Can't wait till Ben Simmons comes back for the Brooklyn Nets. Sorry the Wizards lost, but what a great double overtime game against the San Antonio Spurs. So I'm going to cut the video short there. Swizzle's still just relaxing, enjoying her day. Hope you guys are enjoying your Saturday. If you enjoyed this content, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. I appreciate all of your guys' support. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, that way you're notified of all future videos from the channel. Videos come out daily. Maybe I'll do a short after this. I have a little bit more time this morning, so I'm going to go ahead and jump into that. Enjoy your weekend, enjoy your Saturday, take care. Thank you again for watching this video from your UNM.nu. This is the disclaimer. This is not financial advice. The information from UNM.nu, University of New Money, and University of New Mercy, and any of these other likenesses is provided for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only, without any express or implied warranty of any kind, including warranties of accuracy, completeness, or fitness for any particular purpose. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified of all future videos which come out from the channel. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you're looking forward to the next one, and take care.